Hello and welcome to a little bit of astronomy. We have a special thing happening in the sky right now. Wherever you are on the planet, you should be able to see this in the sky at night tonight and for the next few weeks. We have an alignment of the planets, although sometimes when you hear alignment of the planets, it makes it seem as though they're all in a line directly off of the sun, and that's actually not really the case. I want to share a video with you that can demonstrate a little bit about what I mean by that. In this video, you'll see the planets are all in a line here, but that's not actually what's going on in the sky. Because we're going around the sun, the planets are in different locations around the solar system. And we're that little blue dot there near the bottom. So if we're standing on that blue dot, looking up at the sky at night, we're going to see the planets in an arc. And that arc through the sky is called the ecliptic line. And that is the same line that the sun and the moon go through. The zodiac constellations are in the background of those planets. And you should be able to see Jupiter and Venus very well. They're two of the brightest things in the sky. In fact, they are the third and fourth most bright things in the sky apart from the sun and the moon. Then you should be able to pick out Saturn fairly easily because it will be near to Venus, and Mars will show a little bit of a reddish color, which is a little more prominent than typical stars would do. But again, you can sort of trace the arc through the sky and see where they are. Look from here in Indiana or anywhere in the northern hemisphere, look towards the south. If you're down in Rio de Janeiro or in Sydney or anywhere in the southern hemisphere, you'll want to look north to see the planets. But what we will have here this week in particular, they will look like this. When I say this week, if you're watching this video after January 20th, 21st, for about a week, they'll be in this position here. They will move. The word planet means wanderer in the ancient Greek. What we have going on here is that they will move through the sky, and as they move around the sun, they will change their locations for how we see them. Now, Uranus and Neptune can be seen with high-powered binoculars or a good backyard telescope. They will also be hard to pick out, though, because they are rather faint. Just regular 10 by 50 binoculars. You can get those for $20 at your local big box store or order them from somewhere online. You've got a better telescope than Galileo started out with. But you can see not just Uranus and Neptune with those. You can see the phases of Venus, and you can see the moons of Jupiter, the four main moons, which we now call the Galilean satellites. So I hope you'll take advantage of this time out in space right now and brave the cold. Go outside and watch.